How to fix ride request not working in Lyft. Today I'm going to show you how to fix it when the Lyft app won't let you request a ride. Whether it's stuck on searching or not responding, I've got you covered. Number one step is to check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. A weak connection often causes the request to fail or not go through. Next is enable location services. Simply open the settings, go to the apps, just like this, find the Lyft app, tap on it, and tap onto location and simply turn it on. Next is verify payment method. If your payment method is declined or expired, the app might silently block the ride request. So simply make sure a valid card or wallet is selected. Next is update or reinstall the app. An outdated app can cause ride request bugs. Go to the App Store, open the Lyft app and simply update it. And if it does not work, you can simply uninstall it and reinstall it back. And that's it. That is how you can fix ride request problems on the Lyft app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.